This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for October 24th, 2022. It's currently August 25th, 2022, 3:27 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have, it looks like I'm picking up on that science price level again, guys. And when we look at the 1 month overview, look, we've got like this dip and then we have crests and lows here. So there's a lot of movement, a lot of whipsawing, a lot of price movement over here, a lot of opportunity to make money here towards the end of the month. It looks like we probably revisit that science level again because we have the crest on the other end, right? So we fell from that price level. All right, so on the 24th, important price level highlighted, that science price level. The behavior around the high, we have a sideways rotation around the high with a sharp dip in the midst of that sideways rotation. It'll stand out on a one-day chart. Behavior around the low, there's a notable drop to meet the low, like a decline through multiple support levels or a gap down of some sort. All right, so we likely opened lower than we closed on Friday, the 21st. All right, and we moved to the upside. Looks like we have a big move to hit that science level or an important resistance level early in the pre-market or right around the open, and then we push the upper end of the range right around the open. There's a little bit of selling, like a little bit of a drop, but then we turn around and reuse a support level that we have broken down through. That takes place, that little bit of a drop somewhere right around the open, and then in the first half hour, big move to the upside, push the upper end of a range. We have day's high somewhere in the first hour and a half, it looks like. And a notable decline off of that day's high. Looks like opportunity to open up a short position on a one-day chart here early in the day in the midst of that big move to the upside. Midday, we have a move higher through a resistance level followed by a breakdown through that same price level shortly thereafter, like a full retracement back down. And then a trade opportunity to move from puts to calls or calls to puts or close or position yourself for both directions here just a little bit after midday. There's a trough, and then we have a big pop to the upside out of a trough around the 2 o'clock mark. That's another high for the day, marks an opportunity there. A revisiting of us, so we should probably make support, like new support at least momentarily here around the 2 o'clock mark, and that's an opportunity to open up a short position again. We have day's low off of the crest that we have here between the 2 and 3 o'clock hour. We decline down to a day's low towards the end of the day again. And it looks like we break down through, there's a little bit of a rally in the post-market, but we break down through a diagonal trend line that we were rallying along with increasing volatility as we move forward into the rest of into the next day, I should say. And that's the S&P 500 for October 24th, 2022, my friends. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, follow that rule of karma. A little bit of that profit goes forward, pay it forward to somebody, keep that flow going. A little bit of that profit goes back to us here at REFERAL'S, and our Cash App is REFERAL'S. You can see it in the description. Gratitude begets gratitude, my friend. The more you're grateful for, the more you have to be grateful for. And then most importantly, whatever you do with that money, make sure you do it out of love, my friends. The universe will pay it back to you tenfold in all directions. I'll see you on the next one.